Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize configuring NACL rules for VPS network control, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring NACL rules for your VPS network, log into your cloud service provider's control. Navigate to the VPC or networking section where your virtual private server is listed. Locate the section for NACLs, which may also be referred to as network ACLs. Identify the specific NACL associated with your VPS's subnet. Click on the NACL to view its current rules and settings. Understand that NACLs operate at the subnet level, controlling traffic in and out for all resources within that subnet. Begin by defining the traffic flow you wish to permit or deny. Decide whether you need to create new rules for inbound traffic, outbound traffic, or both. For inbound rules, click on the Add Rule button, typically found in the NACL configuration page. Specify the rule number for the new inbound rule, ensuring it is unique and follows the correct sequence. Select the type of protocol for the rule, such as TCP, UDP, or ICMP. Set the source IP address or range that this rule will apply to. Define the port range for the rule, relevant to the type of traffic you are allowing or denying. Choose the action for the rule, either allowing or denying traffic based on your requirements. Review the rule to ensure that all parameters are set correctly before saving. Repeat the process for outbound rules if necessary, following the same steps as for inbound rules. After adding or modifying rules, return to the NACL overview to confirm your changes. Make note of any default rules that allow all traffic, as they may override your custom rules. Test the configuration by attempting to access services on your VPS from permitted and denied sources. Observe the operational behavior to ensure the NACL rules are behaving as expected. If you encounter issues, review the rule settings for correctness and adjust as needed. Documentation can often provide insights into common configurations for specific applications or protocols. Regularly revisit your NACL settings to adapt to changing security needs or to accommodate new services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.